Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set your Windows 11 computer to only install apps from the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start menu and select Settings. Select Apps on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to select where it says Apps and Features. You can also alternatively search for it using the magnifier search icon down your taskbar. And up at the top where it says Choose Where to Get Apps, click inside the dropdown. And you have 4 different options here. You can select anywhere, but let me know if there's a comparable app in the Microsoft Store, anywhere but warn me before installing an app that's not from the Microsoft Store, and then finally the Microsoft Store only, which is what we're making a tutorial about today, and that's what we're going to select. And once you're done with that, you should be good to go. Close out of here, restart your computer, and that's about it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.